Spencer and the Snowman's Magical Adventure. It was the first snowfall of the year, and Spencer, a cheerful 6-year-old boy, couldn't wait to play outside. As soon as he finished his breakfast, he put on his warm red jacket, fluffy gloves, and his favorite woolen hat. Then, he ran outside, laughing as his boots crunched in the thick, fresh snow. Spencer had one mission: building the biggest snowman ever. He rolled a small snowball on the ground, and as he pushed it, it grew bigger and bigger. He made another one for the body and a smaller one for the head. Carefully, he stacked them together. Now, it was time for the details. He found 2 shiny black pebbles and placed them as eyes. Then, he picked a small carrot from the kitchen for the nose and some little stones to form a smiling mouth. Finally, he wrapped his old blue scarf around the snowman's neck and placed an upside-down bucket as a hat. Spencer clapped his hands happily. "You're perfect," he said, admiring his creation. Just as he turned to grab some sticks for arms, something amazing happened. The snowman blinked. Then, it stretched its new stick arms and wiggled them. "Brr, it's chilly out here," the snowman said in a cheerful voice. Spencer's eyes widened in surprise. "Why, you can talk?" "Of course," the snowman laughed. "You made me with so much love, so I came to life." Spencer jumped with excitement. "That's amazing. Let's play." For hours, Spencer and the snowman had the best time. They built a small snow fort, made snow angels, and had a playful snowball fight. The snowman was fast, dodging every snowball Spencer threw. "You'll have to be quicker than that," he teased. Spencer laughed and kept trying. Then, the snowman taught Spencer a fun game, rolling down the snowy hill like a snowball. They both tumbled down, giggling all the way. After a while, Spencer sat down on the soft snow, catching his breath. "This is the best day ever," he said happily. The snowman smiled. "I'm glad, but Spencer, I have to tell you something." Spencer noticed that the snowman's voice was softer now, and his stick arms drooped a little. "What is it?" he asked, concerned. "The sun is coming out," the snowman said. "And when it gets too warm, I will start to melt." Spencer's heart sank. "Melt? But I don't want you to go." The snowman gently patted Spencer's shoulder. "Don't worry, my friend. I may disappear, but I will always be in your heart. And guess what? When winter comes again, I'll be back." Spencer sniffled but nodded. "Promise? Promise," the snowman said with a warm smile. The sun slowly rose higher in the sky, and the snowman's body started shrinking. Spencer watched as his magical friend melted into a puddle, leaving only the carrot, pebbles, and scarf behind. Just as Spencer was about to turn away, a single snowflake floated from the sky and landed on his hand. He smiled. "See you next winter, my friend." That night, Spencer went to bed with a happy heart, dreaming of the next snowy day when his best friend would return. Moral: friendships may change with time, but true friends always find a way back to us.